Let's go through some tips for using the Plan Ahead tool. First, it may be helpful to understand that when you start using the Plan Ahead tool, you are searching the UO catalog. This means the result tells you if the course is or is not offered by the University of Oregon. To see if a course is offered for the term, you have to use the View Sections button. I'll demonstrate this by searching for a Math 111 course. When I click Search here, this is only telling me that Math 111Z is offered by the University of Oregon. It isn't saying that this course is offered in winter term. To determine that, I have to click the View Sections button. When you click the View Sections button, and the course is offered in the term, you will have information on the day and time the course is offered and other course-specific information. Then use the Add button to place the specific course in your plan. Alternatively, if I had only used the Add Courses button on the first search, in my plan summary area, I would see that there's no CRN, there's no schedule type, there's limited information on this course. Whereas when I used the Add button after View Sections, I have the course-specific CRN, the specific days and times that the course would fit into my schedule. If you made the mistake of using the Add Courses button and there's no CRN information, you can remove it from your plan by using the drop-down in the Actions section, change the option to Remove, and then click Save Plan. Another tip to prepare for using the Plan Ahead tool is that you might decide to use your Ducks on Track. As a reminder, undergraduate students can find their Ducks on Track in DuckWeb, then Student Menu, then clicking Ducks on Track. You can click on the courses you still have to complete and see if they are scheduled for an upcoming term. For example, I'm reviewing the second language requirement for the Bachelor of Arts. Here's a couple of examples and how to interpret the information. First, I'm reviewing my Old English requirement. I see the first course I haven't yet completed is English 428. Click on the course and it tells me that there's no English 428 scheduled. I go ahead and click the X button. Because the second course in this requirement is also an ENG course, only the course number is shared. I click on the 429 and the pop-up box shares that the course is offered in winter 2026 and gives me a little bit of information. It also tells me that English 428 is a prerequisite for taking 429. You can do these kind of checks through multiple areas of your on track. For example, here's a Math 246 course and options that it's being offered for in the winter term that I'm looking to create a plan for. Another option that some students are choosing to use is to use the Browse classes first before creating their plan. The benefit of using Browse classes is that it is searching for classes specifically for the term you select to begin with. This won't add the course to your plan, but it shares with you what courses are available for the term you select.